Hello and welcome to our video exploring the possibility of living on Mars. In recent years, many have speculated about the concept of colonization on Mars, and the idea is fast becoming a reality. In this video, we will explore the technology and advancements required for humans to live on the Red Planet. Section 1: The Exploration of Mars. The first step in colonization is exploration. Over the years, many space agencies have sent missions to Mars to study the planet's environment and to gather data to assess its habitability factors. NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, for instance, has been exploring the planet for over a decade, providing us with significant insights into the Mars environment. The recent successful landing of the Mars Perseverance rover further reinforces the idea that colonization is within our reach. Section 2: The Survival Factor. Surviving on Mars is no easy task. The planet has an inhospitable environment and, unlike Earth, does not have a naturally breathable atmosphere. To survive, the astronauts would need a self-sustaining environment that is both safe and effective. This environment would have to include a power source, a water source, food, and a means of recycling waste. NASA's Mars Habitat Project is an example of a setup designed for a future Mars colony that could serve as a model for future exploration. Section 3: Traveling to Mars. The travel to Mars is a long and arduous journey, lasting up to 8 months. Given the vast distance, Mars can only be reached during the optimal launch windows that occur every 26 months. Crew hygiene and health are some of the factors that affect a long-term space mission, and the spacecraft would have to be big enough to allow for the movement and exercise of the crew. Section 4: The Adaptable Humans. Living on Mars would pose a significant challenge. The astronauts would have to adapt and learn new ways of living with unyielding conditions such as the lack of an Earth-like atmosphere, harsh radiation, and dust storms. They would have to develop an entirely new set of skills and problem-solving methods in response to the unique challenges that Mars presents. Section 5: The Future of Mars Colonization. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX, made headlines in recent years with his ambition to colonize Mars. SpaceX is working on a series of high-tech space transports and reusable rockets that could greatly lower the costs of space travel, making colonization on Mars viable and accessible. Nonetheless, there is still much work to be done before the first Martian colony becomes a reality. Many obstacles remain that need to be overcome before humans can live on Mars. Nonetheless, space exploration is one of humanity's greatest achievements, and the colonization of Mars could represent the next giant leap in our species' history. As we have seen in this video, we cannot downplay the value of scientific exploration to achieve this dream.